barbers, shop owners, or anyone who owns a business, this video is more of a warning or a take caution style video, different from a lot of the other things I share with you guys. I just wanted to explain to you what I'm seeing from my end as a marketer. Now, my news feed, my timeline is just getting swamped and flooded with all these new social media marketing gurus who have now all created a system that can generate you results instantly, and they're all promising these marketing systems that work. And the thing is as a marketer myself that's been in the industry a while now, I go and I research these new companies that pop up, and a lot of it looks like a bunch of people watched a webinar online. They learned the concept of what a sales funnel is, and they're now trying to sell you on the concept. And they're trying to sell a marketing system that can guarantee results, especially during a time like this. That bothers me. And I just wanted to explain to you guys, if anyone is in a position to outsource your marketing, if you are in a position to do that, especially now, then research these companies, because there's a lot of scam artists out there. There's a lot of people who may have picked up a course or two and think that they can now get you results instantly. I just want you guys to just do the right research. So if you do get on the phone, or if you do get in contact with any of these guys that are selling these type of programs, or not just selling but promising these kind of results, just do the research. Ask them how long have they been in business, right? If it's less than a year, it's clear they did just watch a webinar and they are trying to sell you on something that they haven't yet proven for themselves that works. Ask them if they have case studies, right? What results, what testimonials do you have? What work have you even worked in my industry? Right? Ask those kind of questions, because that's going to let you know whether or not these people are legit, or at least give you some type of indication. Do they have a website? Are they even on social media? And if they are, how long have they been on? Just figuring out how credible some of these guys are. And another thing you guys can ask is always, hey, do you have someone I can reference? Is there someone I can just shoot an email to? Right? Can I just shoot an email to someone if they can back up what you're saying or the claims that you're making? Because in a time like this, especially when most people are scared or vulnerable, a lot of people are now coming out the woodwork with all these false promises, and they're just trying to scam you for your money. And I just want to make sure that if anyone does get in contact with anybody, they just ask the right questions so you don't get scammed. I just don't want you guys to get scammed. And listen, I'm a marketer. I've been advertising for a while, and I've seen, like, every 6 months, every year, there's always going to be a new group of people who now come out with a new system that's proven or that can work. And if it can, that's perfect. I just want to see the proof. I want to see, have you gotten results for other businesses like mine? And I just want you guys to ask the same. Again, I hope everyone's doing well during this time, especially during this time of uncertainty. If you're not a part of it yet, we have a Facebook group, and we're offering free marketing support to anyone who's in the group. You can ask any advertising questions, any marketing strategies, anything like that. Myself or my team will gladly assist you, or just explain to you in a video how to go about doing these different things, especially during a time like this. We just want to get back. Um, and it's all free. It's Barbers Hangout. If you're not part of the group, join it. Facebook.com/groups/Barbers Hangout. There you have access to me and my team, and you'll also have access to a large network of other shop owners and experienced barbers, and everyone's in there just helping each other grow, sharing different ideas and strategies and what's working for them. So if you're not part of that group, join it. And again, just do your research on some of these companies that are just popping out the woodwork, especially now. I just don't think it's right to take advantage of people, and using a crisis like this to take advantage of people is, in my opinion, is one of the worst things someone can do. So again, take your research. I just don't want any of you guys to lose any of the money that you guys work so hard for. But that's it for now. Hopefully you got some value out of this video. Like I said, just do your research, guys. And anything, click the link, join our group. It's a private group. In there, you're going to get access to myself as well as everyone on my team. We're all here to help you guys grow. Again, stay safe, be safe, stay home. If you're cutting and your state doesn't allow it, please don't. There's a lot of news articles going around of a lot of barbers who are actually passing away due to COVID-19, and I'd hate for any of you guys to be another statistic. So just hold out for a little bit longer. Things are gonna look up for you guys soon. All right, take care. I'll see you on the inside. Bye.